Hello everyone, global educators. I'm Selena Caloy from the Philippines. You can call me Ina. I'm teaching media and information literacy, handling grade 12 students, and our present lesson is digital, regarding the diversity of digital citizenship. So for this video, I'm going to share with you how are you going to create a dashboard, or I'm going to explore on the dashboard and how are you going to create a group. So let's have it. Allow me to share. I'm going to share my. So first, I will proceed to my dashboard. So I am already logged in to my account. This is my account. So all you have to do is just type on the browser or flipgrid.com. Okay. Then you can now sign up if you do not have an account, and you can log in if you already have an account. Or if you want to answer a response, just enter the code given to you. So for this time, I'm going to share with you the dashboard. I am already logged into my account. So this is my account. Okay, I'm already logged in. Okay, so this is my account and this is my dashboard. Once you click this profile, so you can add your picture for the profile. This is my profile. So the account setting, you can update the setting anytime. And then of course the password, and I have here my social media accounts. And aside from my profile, we have here the achievements. No? For now, I'm glad to tell everyone that I am a Flipgrid certified level 2, and these are my achievements. So I'm already using this in my class. My students are submitting their assessment using this platform. So as you can see, we have here the discussion. In the discussion, you can create a topic or a group. Then we have the discovery, activity, mixtape, and grid pass. So allow me to discuss about discussion. So for the topic, you can create a topic, but for me, I'd rather first create a group. So I'm going to create a group. Let's say for my students, so MIL grade batch 20 2021. So this is their group. It's available, and this is the code. Then I'm going to add my students, or my students will join using their email address. So if you have already a CSV file or a template, you can already just click this one and it will already add it here. But for me, I'm going to let my students join using their Gmail account, or their Outlook account, personal account. And then click next. Then I'm going to choose a topic. So I'm going to select digital citizenship. And since I already have it here, I'm just going to, oh wait a minute. Okay, so it's already here. I already have a group here. And I already have a topic. I already have topics here. So I can now edit the group, or I can now share this so that my students will be able to share their answer. Okay, so this is how you're going to edit the group. I'm going to set this to private, and then I can add a file or an image. So I'm going to add the logo, this logo, or you can choose any logo. I think I need to change this one. So for the purpose of demonstration,